Let me remind you that Pakistan is a land of breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and warm hospitality. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the golden beaches of Arabian Sea, Pakistan offers a diverse range of experiences for every traveler. Adventure seekers can trek through the stunning Hunza Valley, explore the ancient ruins of Mohenjo-daro, or witness the mesmerizing beauty of fairy meadows. If history fascinates you, visit the magnificent Badshah Mosque in Lahore, the Grand Rohtas Fort, or the bustling streets of Peshawar, one of the world's oldest cities. Pakistan's culture is as vibrant as its landscapes. The warmth and generosity of Pakistani people will make you feel at home. Whether you are enjoying a cup of chai with locals, savoring the rich flavors of biryani and kebabs, or witnessing a colorful festival, you will experience a deep sense of connection and belonging. Pakistan is more than what the media portrays. It is a land of great hospitality, diversity, and immense beauty. Come and explore the true essence of Pakistan, where every corner tells a story, every smile welcomes you. Let me take you all to a visual journey to Pakistan. Watch and behold, Salam, Pakistan.